On 28 February 1928, the Dr. C.V. Raman, he has made a breakthrough in the physics with his Raman effect, and he got the Nobel Prize from them. Today, as we gathered here to celebrate National Day and the experiments put up by the students, these experiments not only the interesting but also very knowledgeable.
Good morning. My name is Teva Shashank Ghosh. I am first standard. For first standard. Thank you. Now inform about information road safety rules. I am for road safety rules are very important for everyone. Green light, red light signal means stop. Red light signal means we have to stop. Yellow light signal wait. Yellow light signal means we have to stop.
Wait.
My name is Nishant Gajanan Goyil. I am in first standard. Green light signal and means have to go. We should everyone never run crossing the road. Good morning everyone, my name is Pradeep Bumrah Goyil. Good morning everyone, my name is Ovida Najiramke. I am for second standard. Our project name is Living Things and Not Living Things. Living things can grow, non-living things cannot grow. Living things can move and water, not living ghost. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sandhya Vijay Rajput. We are studying in third standard.
My name is Diya Amol Khadagpai. My name is Simran Manav Samant.
Our topic name is air pollution. Air pollution is when the air gets dirty because of things like snake, fans, factories, or thank you.
Air pollution, those dirty things make it dark or poorly and can make people sick. We need to keep it air clean by not pollution it and taking care of our planet. Thank you.
air pollution. Air pollution happen when harmful things like smoke, dust, and gases get dirty and thank you.
Good morning. My name is Shruti Bhui. I am studying in 4th standard. Today is a science exhibition and my topic is a volcano. A volcano is a mountain or hill that can erupt hot lava, ash and gases from deep inside the earth. Sometimes the heat. And my name is Gopi. We are in 4th standard and our project name is Day and Night. We get day and night because Earth spins or rotates on an imaginary line called its axis, and different parts of the planet are faces towards the sun away from it. Daytime when you can see the earth, when you can see the sun from where you are, and its light and heat are rich. Nighttime is when the sun on the other side of the earth from you and its light and heat. My name is Sambhav. And my name is Aditya. We are studying 5th standard and our science project name is digestive system. The digestive system helps to them you eat or drink. Nutrients are energy and nutrients are how it works. Let's find out. Mouth. The food is chewed and mixed with saliva. Esophagus. The food down to the tap the chest. Stomach. The food is broken down into a liquid which stored with stomach juices. The small intestine. The nutrients are absorbed in the help of the lungs and pancreas. Large intestine. Water and salt are taking out living salt waste. The remain on arms. The wastiest part of body is the poop. The digestive system help your body get it what is from food, ride out what is does not. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Mona. My name is Swara. We are in 5th standard. Our project name is electricity generation, and first topic is wind energy. Wind energy, also known as wind power, is renewable energy source that uses water turbines to generate electricity. Wind energy can help to reduce air pollution. Second topic is solar energy. Solar energy is a radiation from the sun that convert into electricity and heat. Solar energy is eco-friendly and can help reduce global warming. Third topic is hydropower energy, a renewable energy source that uses a kinetic energy of water.
Common air pollution.
My name is Urva Latte. Do not dispose of this chemical into the sanitary shower because it will be harmful for our next generation.
Stopping pollution.
Please pollution.
Stop being mean.
Keep air clean.
Go green.
Breathe clean.
Don't do what you see.
Air pollution is
Good morning everyone, respected principals, teachers. Today we are present here our working model of rainwater harvesting. I am Gauravi.
I am Parita. I am Snigdha.
I am Antara. I am Siddha. We are from class 7. Rainwater harvesting is the process of collecting water and stores it in recogeneration of or tank in is known as rainwater harvesting. This process is appealed to save water.
As the rain pours, it is dissolved harmful gases from the environment as the water acts as solvent to the gases. That water is used water plants mainly. Rainwater contains nitrogen in it, which is good for plants. The plants grow better in rainwater. Whenever there is a rainfall, the people can harvest their rainwater and store it somewhere. There is a underground resources and any other cover place. Rainwater is also used as drinking water. There are three processes for rainwater harvesting. The first process is known as surface runoff harvesting. The second process is known as rooftop harvesting.
In this third process, rainwater collect in or open peak-like place. It's covered or directly used for up its work. These small states can help in leading to a water conservation. In this process, we can notice little details can take that week or can make better living. Now I am show how our project rainwater harvesting works. Thank you. Pressure applied to in project fluid to into transmitted within a closed every point into the closed container. Component of the hydraulic system, there are 3 points.
First is hydraulic pump, hydraulic cylinder values. Advantage of the hydraulic systems. First is higher power generation with relative small input force. Second is press control of the movement, very smooth operation, and fourth point is hydraulic handling load. How does hydraulic work? The hydraulic fluid first get out of the reservoir into various pipes. It passes at actuatory after going through some control valves. Now I see how this our project work. This was called bucket. This was called bucket arm, and this called hydraulic arm, and this called rotation arm. Now start.
Good morning everyone. My name is Priya from class 7. Today I am presenting a microscope. In 1673, Atom van Leeuwenhoek assembled some lenses to construct a microscope. He was the first to observe bacteria and protozoan cells under the microscope. Cells are extremely minute in size. We cannot see cells with the naked eyes, but micrometer and nanometer are the units used to measure their size. This an object on a glass slide magnified many times by the lenses of microscope. Thank you. With the help of lenses and light, you can see the veins of plants.
Morning everyone. I am Harshita.
I am Jitnya.
I am Shreya.
I am Rishabh.
I am Rohit.
We are from class 8. We are presenting here the model of climate change of Earth. Here we try to show the before and after scenes of the climate change on Earth.
Human activities have been the main driver of climate change. Energy, industry, transport, buildings, agriculture and land use are among the main sectors causing greenhouse effect. Burning fuels generate greenhouse gas that act like a blanket wrapped around the earth and trapping the sunset and rising temperature.
Human responsible for global warming. The climate scientists have showed that the humans are responsible for virtually all global heating over the last 200 years. The average temperature of the Earth's surface is around 1.2 degrees Celsius warmer. The last decade, 2011-2020, was the warmest on record.
Very increased global warming makers. In series of union reports, many scientists, government, rise limited global temperature no more than 1.5 degrees Celsius to help us avoid various climate, get a courteous, don't do pollution and make it clean.
Climate atmosphere require financial investment by the government and the businesses. The climate in abstract was vastly more expensive by the developing of the country to get familiar
with this all the technical terms, it is used in the climate change, but it is also used in the climate dictionary. Thank you, sir.
Florida, United States. It is used in education to observe the surface area of Earth. Third, GSAT satellite. It is used in It is launched in 2020 by NASA organization. Its uses in televisions, information regarding Earth surface and etc. Third, Oscar one. It is launched in 1979 from Sriharikota, Tamil Nadu, India. It is launched by ISRO. It is used in meteorology, teleport service and etc. Thank you. Today we delight our project satellite launched by India in Earth orbit. We use material
like cardboard, football, and wooden sticks and wires.
first. This one is Aryabhatta satellite. It is launched in 1975 by Udupi Ramchandra Rao scientist. Its uses
Guys, this was